Hello everyone, welcome back to iNext CRM tutorial video series. In this tutorial, we will explore lead management with iNext CRM. How you can manage your leads and prospects effectively with iNext CRM. To manage your leads, log into your iNext CRM dashboard area. Click on the leads tab. Here you can manage all your leads. So there are multiple ways that a lead gets inserted to your lead section. First, you can keep a lead form on your website. The second one is you can map your email ID. Maybe you would having a email ID called inquiry or biz or sales. You can map those email IDs to iNext CRM, and every email coming to you as lead would be synced automatically to iNext CRM. The third option could be adding manually by clicking add new lead option. And the fourth option is if you have all your leads in Excel sheet, you can import all the data at once by using the import leads facility of iNext CRM. So let's get started adding a lead manually. Let's give a name to the lead. Okay, first you have to select the status. Maybe you can keep opportunity or prospect at initial stage, and source of this particular lead and the assignee. Okay, whenever you add a phone number, make sure you enter the country code. For now I am entering +91. Lead value is uh, the approximate value of this lead. You can enter a value that this particular lead holds. If you mark this lead as public, this lead would be visible to all your staff members who have access to the leads. And if you make it unpublic, then it would be accessed to only Sagar and you as admin. You can tick if you have already contacted this contact today, or else you can set a contacted date when you have contacted last. You can create, this is a custom field we have created for lead management. We have created no custom fields for testing, that's why it's coming. Yes, that's it. Click on the save button. So we have created a lead. This is the complete lead view, lead management view. These are the info that we have added just now. Apart from that, we can check what all proposals has been shared to this lead. Task, what all task we have created for this lead. Attachment, we can attach files if this leads needs to be, maybe the lead has a requirement specification, we can add here and create a task and assign to someone who can explore the requirement. Reminders, if you want to follow up for a lead, you can set reminder, call after 3 days, like this. Let's set a date, assign to someone, call after X days. If you want or email reminder to be sent, you can set this one, or else alert would be appearing on the CRM. So this is how you can manage your reminders. Notes are private. You can add private notes, like I have discussed the client is need guidance. So we have added a note. Here you can see all the activity logs of this particular lead. Whatever changes or you know uh, activities are happening in this particular lead, everything would be listed here. So you can track what all changes has been done on this lead since it's been created. Apart from that, you can mark this lead as lost, or mark as lead, or you can delete as require. You can print if it require. When you want a lead, when it's closed, you can convert to customer. With one click, the data would be transferred to the customer section, and a customer would be created along with the primary contact. Apart from this, you have a well aligned lead dashboard where you can apply filters, various filters, filter by status or filter by source, or filter by junk or lost or public status. The most interesting part is you have a Kanban view which will help you to manage your pipeline with the lead management. See, here you can see all the leads in pipeline mode. You can see opportunities are there, understand requirement are there. If you have to move one, just move it like this. Even you can edit leads here by clicking the respective lead. This is the best view that you can keep by default and manage your leads effectively. The notes, attachments, you can reorder it. So back to list view. You can do bulk actions also. You click bulk action, you can change status of multiple contacts in one click, or a source of multiple contacts, or last contact date, or assignee. If you want to assign 30-40 leads to one of your sales rep, then it's very easy. Just select those leads and then assign to someone. If you want to apply tags, you can do that too. If you want to make multiple contacts public or private, you can do that also. Apart from this, you can do mass delete, which will delete all the selected leads. So this is all about lead management with INX CRM. Thanks for watching, and catch you on another interesting video of this series. Thank you.